Hello student, today we will do question number 10 from miscellaneous exercise on chapter 7 NCERT math books class 12. So without further ado, let's get started. We have to find integration of this. So first we will simplify this. We can write this sine 4x square minus cos 4x square divided by 1 minus 2 sine square x into cos square x. This can be written sine, this is on formula a square minus b square, sine square x minus cos 4x sine 4x plus cos 4x divided by 1 minus 2 sine square x into cos square x. This can be written again sine square x minus cos square x sine square x plus cos square x. This can be written sine square x into sine square x plus cos square x into cos square x divided by 1 minus 2 sine square x into cos square x. This can be written minus cos 2x. Cos 2x formula is cos 2x is cos square minus sin x square. So this will be minus cos 2x and this will be 1 sin square x plus cos square x, and this can be written sin square x to 1 minus cos square x. Sin square x, we will write 1 minus cos square x plus cos square x. This can be written 1 minus sin square x. Divided by 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x. It will be minus cos 2x, which will multiply this sin square x minus sin square x into cos square x plus cos square x minus sin square x into cos square x divided by 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x. So it will be minus cos 2x. This sin square x plus cos square 1. This will be 1. And this will be added 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x divided by 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x. This will be cut. So this will be remain cos 2x. Now integration of sin 8x minus cos 8x divided by 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x dx is equal to, we can integrate this minus cos 2x dx is equal to integration of cos 2x dx will be minus 1 by 2 sin x plus c, sin 2x plus sin 2x plus c. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution today up to here. We will meet in the next class with next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.